safety of our young dragons, no flash photography or video recording is allowed here in the hatchery.
Uh-oh.
During this live-action show, there will be sudden and intense sound effects.
This is Berk. It's gloomy, rainy, and cold. And that's our good weather. Of course, we're not known for our climate. We are known for our dragons. And yeah, they used to be a big, fire-breathing pain in the neck. But we worked through our differences, and now dragons and Vikings are the best of friends. I guess you could say we live in harmony. We live together, and work together. And dragons even raise their young here in our brand new dragon hatchery.
We are together we stand. We are together we're strong. We are together we
Not this one.
Hold it! Hold it! It's just making it worse. Let the dragon go!
What? You want us to let this beast go?
Yes.
You're gonna walk up to that murderous reptile without a muzzle?
Yes.
Okay, good luck.
Ah, don't worry about me. My friend and I here are just gonna have a nice chat.
Get back! Gobber, what are you doing? That beast is out of control!
That's never happened before.
Contain these beasts! Make our nose! This one's too dangerous! But I can do this! Your father, what about my son? Chief, you have to keep the village safe!
Maybe Gobber's right. Maybe it is an untrainable dragon.
Hiccup, you can't give up now. The village needs you. And if you can't tame that dragon, Gobber and the villagers will kill it.
But you saw what happened. I can't do it. I was wrong.
What about Toothless? Everyone thought that training a dragon, any dragon, was impossible. But you trained the most impossible dragon of all. A night fury.
One, ouch. And two, this dragon is different. Look at what happened. It almost burned down the entire village.
But only almost. Hiccup, remember when you trained the Skuldrin? No one thought that could be done. Skuldrins were the terror of the sea. Everyone was afraid of them. But you did that!
That was last year. Maybe I've lost the knack of training dragons.
Hiccup, I was the first to believe in you. But now it's time for you to believe in yourself, too. That dragon
can't give up on this untrainable dragon.
I don't remember butterflies.
You know who loves butterflies?
Dragon babies. The hatchery. Eggshells.
First mate.
Oh, look! So slow. Come on, little guy.
He's already flying.
Watching the wind in the air.
Oh, look at him go.
That's it. Just follow the butterflies. So many new dragons to train. Take on, take flight. So much to see on night. You know what they would really like? More butterflies. Flying, soaring, flying around in the sky. Flying, sailing, a new day is coming to life. Flying, soaring, flying around in the sky. Flying, sailing, a new day is coming to
Wait, this little one's missing out on all the fun.
It sure doesn't look like it belongs to any of our dragons.
Oh, it doesn't.
That's because it isn't from our dragons. Come on!
Release the dragon.
Why?
We need to return the egg to the mother.
Mother?
That dragon's a female, and we believe this egg belongs to her.
That's a pretty strong bond, character child.
There is nothing stronger.
Wonder you couldn't train her.
Yeah, she was only trying to protect her child.
You would have made your father proud. Hiccup.
You know, Gobber, I was never afraid of
I think a celebration is in order. Gee,
Well, Mama Dragon, welcome to the family.
Here we are
Well, there you have it. Humans and dragons living together in peace once again. Okay, well, we still have a lot to learn from one another, but one thing is for sure. Life is better here in Berk because we have